Hello and welcome to the Peej's workshop. I'm going to be transforming this Barney F3B unit from a Pensy into a Peej. So that means a repaint. So first I start taking it apart. Gonna fix up the trucks, the bottom there, the base. Strip as much of this paint as I can off. That was a hell of a job. That took a while. Here's the first coat. Looks pretty good. It's going to be in the passenger livery of the PG&NJ. Fix the coupler box there, put a new coupler, hook coupler in there. And then a final coat for the silver, aluminum, whatever. Oh yeah, a bit of change of plans. Had two of these, so one of them I'm gonna just use for parts, and I'll probably fix it up later and use it as an actual Pensy B unit. This one's running fine. Rolls nice and smooth and even. Added the weights, and now we're gonna mask it up. Get it ready for the red stripe on the bottom there. Now I'm gonna remove the masking tape as soon as pretty soon after I painted it, because you don't want to leave the masking tape on too long, and it's also very satisfying, as you'll see in a second, to just take away the masking tape and see the paint. Ooh, see, isn't that nice? It's weirdly soothing. So wait for that to dry and then put on the lettering. I just use Sharpies, no decals or stencils, which I probably should, but I don't. There's a reason why I do that now, well, at least the one I made up to justify this, but I'll get into that later at some other time. And there it is. Pretty much finished up. See how she looks out in the lit. I think it came out really good. I'm very happy with that. But that's all for me for now. See ya!